and like move around to do different positions and then they're done in 5 minutes. That shit is now boring to me just after 4 months. I'm like, fuck, bring me something interesting. Like, I
Oh
don't want
shit.
to like turn around and show you my butthole. Like, bring me something interesting. So the best stuff to me is like the really weird shit. Like the really weird shit. Um, Yesterday I had a guy that requested like the one-on-one chat, and he told me that his fetish was fantasizing about being shrunken to make himself 1 inch tall. And he wanted me to describe in detail what I would do to this 1 inch tall human. And so for 10 minutes, that's what we talked about. And he was like asking me like, would you drop me into your mouth? And I told him yes, and he's like, oh, it's such a scary cave in here. But he's like getting off on it. Like he's like moaning and breathing heavily because he's getting off on that.
Yeah, I'm not kink shaming. It's that's funny. Like,
No, see, it's that shit. Like the weird shit is my absolute favorite.
yeah, it sounds fun.
It's so fun. And I feel like that's another like thing in my toolbox is I'm really good at play because I worked with kids for a long, long time. So I'm amazing at play. So to me, like that is play. That's playful. And I'm
Yeah.
like, hell yeah, I can do this. Like I can, hell yeah. You want me to be creative, like on the spot, think of something that I've never fucking thought about. I'm not fucking thinking about like shrinking men to be 1 inch tall and like, you know, like
Do,
making them be my sexual slaves and like dropping them in my mouth.
do you pretend to like chew them? Like, rah, 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 rah,
Yeah.
rah. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Uh-huh.
I was
Yes.
kidding.
No, it's so fun for me. Like that weird stuff where I can like be creative and like throw me something that makes me think, you know? I love that stuff. I love it. I feel like you have to be really present in those moments rather than the shit that's like the moaning and like the sexual positions. Like it's a little stale. So
Right,
that other
right.
stuff like forces me to be in the present and like really think. So I love that.
Wow, yeah, this is wow, that's interesting. Yeah, yeah, I see what you're saying though. Yeah, if you can make it fun, like that's what more girls should do to keep their head in the game, right? Like have more fun. Like
It's so fun. It's so fun. I hope it stays fun. You know what I mean? Like I hope in like another 6 months I still think it's fun because right now like I genuinely am having fun.